So hi, my name is Anuj Gupta from Tag Investments. The budget is over. At the same time, we are quite inquisitive in terms of understanding how this works. How does India as a country earn its income? Where does it actually spend when we talk about income versus expense? So the budget is all about how much you earn and how much you spend. So just trying to give you some sense. Where India gets its money from. So just imagine if India was to earn 1 rupee, so how much will it earn? What are the heads under which it earns? So 3 paisa comes from customs, 36 paisa comes from borrowings and other liabilities, 15 paisa comes from GST, 14 paisa comes from income tax, 13 paisa comes from corporate tax, 8 paisa comes from union excise duties, 6 paisa comes from non-tax revenues, and 5 paisa comes from non-debt capital receipts. Talking about how India spends its money. So 1 rupee is earned now. How does it spend its money? So 5 paisa goes in pension, 20 paisa goes in interest payments because it's borrowed, so it has to pay back interest. 16 paisa state shares of taxes and duties. 13 paisa central sector schemes. 10 paisa other expenditures. 10 paisa in finance commission and other transfers. 9 paisa centrally sponsored schemes. 9 paisa in subsidies and 8 paisa in defense. So that is how India earns and spends its 1 rupee. So thank you so much for the watch. And in case if you have more queries related to budgeting, personal budgets as to how much your income is, what should be your expenditure, how much you should be saving, how much you should be taking a loan of, how much you should be borrowing, how much you should be putting in real estate, how much you should be putting in stocks, how much you should be buying insurance. So on the personal budget front, we are here to help you understand your income expense levels and fine tune it as per our best experience and best practices. So thank you so much for the watch, and you may ping us on our social media handles, WhatsApps, email us, and talk to us, and we'll be happy to help you, handhold you, guide you in your financial journey forward. Thank you so much.